Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's about Shadow and Shadow Vlogs, and today I'll be ordering, actually pre-booking the OnePlus Nord. So let's get straight into the screen recording. You can actually see the time, which is 1:29, and the pre-booking is going to start at 1:30. So I'm constantly switching the screens, going back and forth so that I don't miss it. And sometimes what happens is that when you're already on the final screen, it doesn't load. So it's better to just go back and come again and on the main pre-booking screen. So yes, I'm constantly trying it, as you can see on the screen. Yeah, so finally it is 1:30 and the pre-booking at 1:30 button has been changed to pre-book now. So after clicking on it, it is showing all these informations, these all rules and eligibility criteria, and what is the procedure, everything. But it is still not clear, as I have already pre-booked it, or I need to do something else. Pre-book box something is there available for 499. So do we need to buy it compulsory or what? It is not clear. Maybe I think I should buy it. So I here I am clicking on it, and what the. So as you can see that I tried my Nashik address, but where I'm currently living actually, but I even tried my home address, but I still got the same issue that it is not deliverable to your place. And then I just gave up. But look at these Instagram posts from OnePlus, and you can see that they are all happy about a successful pre-booking sale or whatever. But when you look at the comments from the people, it doesn't seem so. So I would think that this is one of the most fails. And I personally love OnePlus, even though it's Chinese. I have used the OnePlus 3, OnePlus 3T, OnePlus 6, and I recently gave OnePlus 8 to my dad. But when it comes to this pre-booking thing, I am not happy with OnePlus, and I hope that we get another pre-booking or something. So guys, do let me know in the comments down below if you were able to pre-book the OnePlus Nord or not, and if you were able to book it, then please also state where do you actually live, that your address got accepted. Bye, peace. So tell me you got it right now, but you got